There are many ways to make money, and it will depend on your skills, interests, and resources. Here are a few ideas. Start a business. This can be a traditional brick-and-mortar business or an online business. Consider what products or services you can offer and who your target customers will be. Invest in stocks or real estate. If you have some money saved up, you can invest in the stock market or in real estate. This can be a good way to make money over the long term, but it also carries some risk. Freelance. If you have a particular skill or talent, you can offer your services as a freelancer. This could be anything from writing and editing to graphic design or social media management. Rent out a room on Airbnb. If you have an extra room or a vacation home that you're not using, you can rent it out on Airbnb and make money from travelers who are looking for a place to stay. Sell items on eBay or Etsy. If you have a knack for finding unique or interesting items, you can set up an eBay or Etsy store and sell your products online. Offer your services as a tutor. If you're good at a particular subject, you can offer your services as a tutor to students who need help. This can be a good way to make money on the side.